Hello friends, Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's Thursday, so that means it's time for another Mail Day Thursday. If you're new to my channel, this is something I started in January of 2022 to remind me to send out cards and to encourage you to send out one card a week. Each week I share 3 to 5 cards, could vary, that I'm going to send out that week. In the description box below, I have a link to a Google form if you would like me to consider sending you a card. I have sent cards to everyone who has signed up, so I always love to get more people, more crafters to sign up so I could send out some cards. I guess it doesn't have to be crafters, more people. Always good to make new friends. So let's get on to what I'm mailing out this week. I have this card, and it's really hard because it's shiny, but it's alcohol inks, and then I stamped it in gold. So it's really, really pretty, but it's hard to capture on the camera. It says, friends are like flowers. They fill the world with beauty. It's blank inside, and that is a Craft and Chemie stamp. Next up, I have this sweet little fairy and a baby fairy that says love. And this image is from TLC Designs. Very, very sweet. Next up, Good Friends Wine Together. This is from Sweet Sentiment. I have glossy accents on their glasses there. Just a super fun card. Next up, I have this fun one, images from Polka Doodles. It says hello, and it's shimmery, shimmery butterflies. And you open that up, and then you open it there, and it says it's spring. It's a super fun fold card. Reminds me I should do more of those. And then the last card I'm sending out this week is this gorgeous fairy. This is from Sweet Escape Digis. She's very, very sparkly. Got some little pearls there. And there we go. So those are the cards that I'm sending out this week. I was also lucky to receive a card this week. This is from Kendra. She's on YouTube, Cards with Kendra. She also has a quarterly challenge that is super fun. I have shared the first 6 of the cards that I've made for challenge number 5. So definitely check her out, Cards by Kendra. But it says you are awesome, and it's just so pretty and shiny, and it just made my day. So thank you so much, Kendra. So again, these are the cards that I'm mailing out this week. If you haven't signed up on my Google form, I really hope that you will, so that I could send you a card. And go get in that crafty stash that you have, those boxes of cards that are sitting there not doing anything, and mail out at least one today. Until my next video, which will be another coloring videos because we're coloring March happy. I hope you have a wonderful day, and thanks for stopping by.